on with? What do you have? Oh, it's a Slinky. Yeah. It's Slinky. Yeah, you come over here, Catherine? Who's coming? Hey, Mary. You want to walk? You don't have to be on the ground anymore. You can walk. You're supposed to say you walk, honey. How do you walk? Here, get up. Here, get up. You don't need to hold on. What are you looking at, Catherine? What? Girl, say hi. Hi. Clap your hands. Yay. And pat your head. Where's your head? Head? And touch your nose. Where's your nose? Where's your nose? Girls, where's your nose? Mary, where's your ears? Mary, where are your ears? Ears? Good job, Catherine. And Mary's on a mission with books. Books kind of distract Mary. Mary, where's your tummy? Where's your tummy? Well, Catherine's patting her tummy. You touch your tummy? There you go.